1921 of 2023.
Issued summon.
Yes.
What was the interim order?
Interim order was filed passed on.
No, what was the interim order?
Interim order further proceeding to stay.
Okay.
Police obtain an NBW order.
It cannot be stated as an individual matter. They are not available.
You don't cooperate, you don't go, then what?
In fact,
No,
my
my
lord,
lord.
not a-
Anyway, we go, when you are going to appear, you tell me. 7th March, on or before 7th March.
file that is
My lord.
also show that order is totally carried out that.
The petitioner has challenged the order dated 24/9/2015,
My lord.
by which NBW has been issued against the petitioner by the court of, where is that order? By the court of
My lords, SBJM Baripada.
SDGM Baripada. Then counsel for the petitioner submit that he was on anticipatory bail, bail. However, he escaped notice and however, he could not appear. He could not appear when the matter was taken up by the court.
No, my lords. So,
Leading to issuance of NBW. You go and appear, I'm just giving. Land counsel for the petitioner on instruction submit that he would be appearing before the court below on or before 7th of March 2024 and seek remedy available to him under law. Appear. And
no, my lords,
And also show that-
surrender and release on bail.
I can
this
once
is,
granted
482
bail.
is not meant for that.
You show that order before that.
So that would do whatever.
I have.
My lords, I have annexed that order.
That's
In
fine.
the that was the in the event of arrest, the petitioner
So
shall be.
Then if you don't go, don't communicate what to do. You go.
No,
you
my
go-
lords, I
you
have
go-
challenged to quash
you
the
go.
NBW order.
Try to understand, you go and show this order and you will be released because you are on anticipatory bail. I'll just, what I'll do is I'll not impose cost, satisfy the order dated so and so.
My lords, that will be.
I am giving a dictation, in between you jump.
My lords, obliged.
Satisfy the order. And
From Bhadrak in virtual mode. My lord, I am from Bhadrak in virtual mode. I have filed this petition. Sir, Bhadrak.
yes.
What happened if that bail order will be set aside, my lord, and will set aside, will not go there.
Sorry.
You will also set aside the issuance of
Kept in
NBW.
away. Kept in away.
Kept.
Kept
So that he will go there.
Kept.
Otherwise, he will not.
I understand. Next.
Kept the hours like that.
Yes. Mr.
My lord, the petitioners are regularly appearing from the 2017 to 2023. Unfortunately, on 17/11/2023,
Where you are on bail?
we are in bail, we are continuing trial from 2017 to 2000, no fault. Only one date I have missed because of the diary of my memory.
Okay, the petitioner was on bail. This is NBW issued against you.
NBW.
Anybody should be. What is single date?
1 minute. NBW issued on what? Which date?
1910.
19/10/2023.
Subsequently, 11/11, I said about 3 years.
The
Dated
NBW
at
was issued on 19/10/23 and subsequently on
17/11/23
by which court?
By the Session Judge Bhadrak.
By session judge for the default in the appearance by the petitioner. The petitioner, the land counsel petitioner submits that the petitioner was on bail. Next, so on instruction on the case to appear. When is the next date appearing? When is the next date appearing?
My lord, next date of hearing, it was 25th. I have not brought the date. It might be February. It was
25th one,
26th.
25th one, 24th thala. Tapra ko date
On or before 7th of so.
Order by rule may be passed.
Set aside and you pay the cost of 500.
ठीक है, thank you, sir.
Okay.
Direction may be given to Session Judge Bhadrap on the
Yes.
surrender they may resolve.
Okay. Yes.
My lords, I will pardon, my lords, item 1, charge sheet has been submitted.
You are not able to understand what is the order. Please read the order, then you
Oh,
understand.
obtain the better order. You go there.
No, my lords,
I don't understand why you are not appreciating the order.
no, my lords, unless the NBW is quashed, the bail order given by this honorable
I
court.
have kept it in advance, go and appear and tell all these things to the court. You are anticipatory bail, that will be extended. As simple as that. Why are you-
Anticipatory bail, my lords, charge sheet already submitted.
And he failed to understand there are decisions. Once release on bail, it will continue till end of the challenge.
Once you are on anticipatory bail,
decisions
that
are
will
there.
continue. The only problem is once you could not appear, therefore
Exactly.
NW is issued.
Exactly.
I am keeping it advance. Go and tell the court that that will continue. As simple as that. Why are you getting
Judgment are there.
hyper about it?
No, my lords, NBW was issued prior to submission of charge sheet on application of the police.
Police
All right, I have kept in advance. Go and tell all these things to the court. If anything happens, come and mention. I'll take it up. Same day. At 2 o'clock, I'll take it up and ask for release. Okay? Go on. And if anything happens, you come and mention in court.
Well.
Okay. I can see. Yes.
Not legal lordship,
Yes.
not placed. My lord.
Huh?
The petition is arrested, but not placed.
Not raised. Okay. Pass on. What is before cancellation of?
No.
Huh?
Belgium.
Oh, this was when he got the bail. Just
Item 5.
1 minute, 1 minute. 4 we also will do it. NBW on 17/8/2023 and he was on bail. Chalo, we'll see. Let him come. I'll ask. Okay. 5, yes, 5.
6/4/2022, the
6/4/2022 bail.
6/4/2022 NBW was issued. Petitioner was on bail 20/7/2017
500.
during the course of
500. Yes.
May I please your lordship, my lord. On 23/2/2017, he was on bail. The petitioner was on bail. NBW has been issued on dated lordship 5/10/2021.
How many of you are there?
My lord, I am appearing.
500 is 500 is. Because 21 order. 500 is.
Okay.
Yes.
6.
May I please your lordship? My lord, answer 1 NBW order 10/9/5/2023 of loan section judge Hon'Ble CTS 54/2022. Earlier bail order answer 1.
1 minute. You were on bail.
Yes, madam.
When was the bail granted to you? Date you have?
Honorable High Court passed order in a bail number 5062/223 on letter 31/22.
21/5/22.
Yes, madam. Answer
NBW 9/5/23. Okay. Okay. 500. I'm
Yes, sir.
getting pay 500 cost. Okay.
yes, madam. Okay.
My lord, the NBW issued against the present accused petitioner on 29/1/2024 on the,
Bail. You are on bail.
my lord, previously the accused petitioner is on bail, but on the date fixed for appearance,
So what is the date of bail?
my lord,
Petitioners were on bail. 500. What? 500. Yes.
Impugned order is annexed to page 12. The NBW order was passed on 17/11/2023, your lordship. The
Bail
pe-
on 9/3/23.
Yes,
17.
Yes.
9/3/17 bail. 17/11/23.
NBW.
How many of you are there?
I am only one year.
500. 500.
23 ರ
500 तो नॉल हो जा रहे हो 500 you pay. What is the problem?
Obligation.
May I please your lordship?
Hmm.
Bill 26/7/2017 and NBW 23/3/2020.
How many of you are there? One, na? 500. You want to pay a little more than you are welcome. Yes.
May I please, madam? I am in VC, madam. Your page 17 is the NBW order, which was issued on
When you
10th.
got
10th
when you got
10th
bail,
bail, madam, 41 CRPC was notice. 41 CRPC notice was issued, and I appeared before the police station. Charge sheet reflects, madam.
the petitioner during investigation petitioner was served with the notice of 41C and after investigation the charge sheet was filed, and because of the default appearance before court, NBW has been issued against the petitioner on
10th February 2020
by the court of STJ Koraput in GR case number 325 of 50. Same, right? On which section and all. 500 cost.
Obligation.
Yes.
My lord, I am challenging annexed 2 series, my lord, page order dated 10/1/2024. It is appears on page 16, my lord.
What is this?
My lord, this is the proceeding under section 138 of NI Act. Both were compromised and the accused person submitted the draft of rupees 2 lakh. But the court below rejected the prayer that recall of the NBW. The earlier the depositing of the draft, the NBW was issued. The complainant wants to withdraw the case. But
You are complaining.
no, my lord, I am accused person. I deposited the demand draft. But the court below rejected for recalling the
The
NBW.
complainant is agreeing.
My lord, both are agreed and deposited. I deposited the.
I am issuing notice, bring him Monday. I'll pass the entire proceeding.
My lord.
Huh?
My lord.
Monday. You bring him, I'll pass the what
Authorized, my
NBW.
lord,
The
the
entire-
complaint filed 257.
I will pass it the entire proceeding.
Yes.
Bring him, I will pass it. If he is satisfied, we will pass everything.
My lord.
Unnecessary. Bring him Monday.
My lord, notice will be issued.
Notice, issue notice to the opposite party.
Number 2.
Number 2. Monday or
Requisite.
Tuesday.
My lord.
Let it be Tuesday. So
My lord, the opposite party number 1 will come from Dharmagada. 2.
online, let him appear online.
Online application.
That notice must be reached to him.
Then I'll issue NBW, go and face it.
My lord, there is a provision, my lord. If the complaint filed
Right.
257 provision, CRPC, my lord,
If,
then case will withdraw, my lord, there.
right.
But the
Okay.
court did not agree with the
Okay,
complainant.
all right,
My lord, may permitted to intimate to the OP number 2.
I am setting aside the NBW, go and settle there. What do you want? You tell me.
My lord, your lordship may call for the OP number 2 and
Issue notice opposite party number 2, returnable. Upon brief.
4 weeks, my lord.
4 weeks.
My lord, he will come.
Okay, 4 weeks. Why you bring him?
No, my lord, I have not any hesitation to come and appear before your lordship. But he has the power to come and he will not come, depends upon him, my lord. OP number 2. I will take a notice in any means. And NBW proceeding, my lord, I have also.
The NBW issued by the court below on where is the date?
By
10/1/24. Huh?
no, my lord. That is 16/7/2022. 16/7/2022.
Execution of NBW issued by the court of
SDGM Dharmagad.
Dharamgad in what is this?
What?
ICC case number 19 of 2017 is stayed till next date of it.
Item 13.
Beg to appear for the petitioner, my lord. Your challenge is to the NBW issued on 4/2/2021.
When you got the bail?
Bail was on 19/1/2021. That is page 25.
21 NBW on
4/2/2021.
4/2/2021.
2021.
How many of you are there?
I have come, my lord. It's only the petitioner.
One.
Only the petitioner, my lord.
500.
May I please your lordship, my lord?
the NBW has been issued on 20th/11/2023, my lord. The petition was on bail, my lord, 26/2019, my lord, in 130 NI Act, my lord. And the case is pending before the JMFC 1 cognizance taking Kotak, my lord.
500 per. Wait, you noted na? We attended, he's giving the date and you are looking here and there. Give me the date, give the dates. Dates. When you got the bail.
Within, my lord, 2 weeks, my lord.
When you got the bail.
Bill that 20th/2019, my lord.
Yes, NBW.
NBW, my lord, that is 20th/11/2023, my lord.
500.
By the JMFC 1, the cognizance
Yes,
taking Kotak, my lord.
Yes.
Oblate, my lord.
Yes, sir.
50.
But they were released on bail on 1/10/11 and my lord, and 27/12/11. And warrant was issued on my lord on 21/4/14, my lord.
14.
Yes, my lord.
What were you doing?
At page 13, my lord.
What were you doing?
The case was record of put over dormant and the warrant was issued against them, my lord.
And
Yes, you have-
four of you.
4 accused, my lord.
Then 500 each.
As a lots of judges.
500 each.
Yes, sir. So, one or before, my lord,
The 7th.
obliged.
16.
I prefer pass over, my lord.
Pass over. 17.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
This is a case of OPID lordships. A charge sheet was framed, lordships. And the
Charge sheet was framed or charge?
charge was framed.
Charge was.
Thereafter, we faced the trial, lordships. We examined out of 169 witnesses, 4 IOs were there at DSP, lordship, no doubt. Thereafter, when we cross-examined all 4 IOs, everything was complete. Immediately, another IO, another police person came. He says, I am the another IO. He filed another charge sheet. There is no incriminating material against me. I am challenging on the footing, lordship.
When the prosecution evidence was about to be concluded, that time another charge sheet was filed.
Another charge sheet was filed. I cross-examined all IOs, 4 IOs.
Mr. Bhuya is appearing. Mr. Bhuya.
Pass it.
So pass it.
OPID.
Pass it. Yes.
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ଇନଫର୍ମ କର ଟିକେ ଇନଫର୍ମ କର
Informing. 18. Yes.
For this case, the petitioner has filed his application seeking for quashing of the FIR, my lord.
Yes.
But the allegation is that, the omnibus allegation, my lord, that the accused, the present petitioner along with others, by making forgery of the some land, they have crop cutting instance.
What is the stage of investigation?
That I don't know. So that I have no instruction this case now. One accused person has already been released on bail.
Why don't you wait till the investigation is over? Why are you coming at this stage?
and only FIR has been annexed and anticipatable has
There is
been
nothing
rejected.
except FIR. You have annexed only FIR and you are asking for quashing. Investigation just now begin.
Anticipatable has been rejected by this one.
Wait till.
Sir, sir, co-accused already released on bail.
This is a anticipatory bail application in disguise then. Because the anticipatory bail is rejected, so you are trying a luck here.
Sir,
By moving.
no, sir, sir, allegation, sir, कौन लिखा है जी?
But let it be investigated.
Only FIR. So it's
How do
only
you
FIR.
expect it to be quashed at this stage?
Sir, mother, I may be
Then
protected.
for the petitioner seeks to withdraw this petition to
But
approach the avail remedy under law at the appropriate stage. Dismiss.
sir, more so, sir, since co-accused religion one to co-accused religion bail. So,
It is not a bail court.
sir, I may protected so that let it be, sir, one person only. That is the allegation.
I have given you liberty after the charge sheet is filed. If nothing comes out against you, please approach. I have given that liberty.
The principal accused was.
Yes.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
So in last occasion, your honor was pleased to direct my learned senior to take instruction regarding the non-recording of 164 statement of the victim by the IO.
Just see, the land council's petitioner points out to the result of the non-related to personal injury. Indicate that the police none of the case of one judge. None of the
record କାହିଁକି ହେବ ନା
Yes.
charge sheet file. It's a case of 354. So question of recording 164 only depend upon when the circumstances compels. Here the statement 161 statement of the victim informant. Informant is the victim.
5A.
And he sees 52 years.
164 5A. Which you have relied upon. Yes.
164.
164.
Yes. Which provision you relied upon?
Who provision is typically? 5 minutes.
Yes.
One
Capital 5A.
5A. Capital 5A.
Yes.
164 my lord.
160.
Capital 5A.
Capital 5A. Small a.
80.
In the case punishable.
In the year 2012,
354.
after the Nirbhaya incident, Delhi.
This is
The offences which has already been directed to register.
you have added.
Yes. You also make anticipate. Unnecessarily. You have already case disposal.
The matter was that here.
That is not present kindly. That is
13 to 2000.
That is his grievance. Already complied.
And this court passed the policy. Passes to the aforementioned order. Mr. Maharaj sought instruction and please to place on record of instruction indicating that which provision has been added.
120B.
Section 120E and what are the sections? 467. 467. Offenses under section 467 and 120 has been added on some file. Therefore, the grievances raised by the prisoner in the petition is addressed. Yes. Yes. 21. 20.
My lord,
Court. Will also make kindly taken on record, my lord. I am.
may please your lordship.
Yes.
May I please your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, item 21, 22, 23 arises from a same incident. And in the meantime, another case, your lordship was pleased to quash the proceeding. This is a village dispute, my lord. In the meantime, opposite party number 2 appeared on by Lord and
What are the offenses?
this is arising out of a complaint case at all offenses triable by my state 506 379 other offenses.
In all the 3 cases.
All the 3 cases.
Yes.
Though my friend Mr. Mahapatra already filed affidavit, he is unable to appear to just now.
What do you want?
May I pray after launch, my lord?
Okay.
21, 22, 23.
21, 22, 23. Password. 24.
May please.
Yes.
My learned friend has to take some instruction.
What
I guess.
किसी नहीं था अदर फ्रेश केस फर्स्ट टाइम असले ये अदर किसी नहीं ये एप्लीकेशन में किसी नो डॉक्यूमेंट अनेक्स्ड नो डॉक्यूमेंट ओनली पिटिशन हिज प्रेयर टू क्वाश द एनबीडब्ल्यू Nothing else.
Nothing of NBW.
Yes, Lordship, in last order, your Lordship has been pleased
Yes,
to
yes,
direct.
what do you want? Land on for the petition to submit that she has no clue.
No such case was pending before the lower court below, your Lordship. No such record was
Is there
found.
any case pending? She has no clue. That's what she says. Hey,
That I don't understand.
Received a.
कौन गोटे डॉक्यूमेंट देलो तो हमें ता बेसिस रे किछि गोटे इंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ
किछि नाही।
डॉक्यूमेंट नाही
हम पाखरे भी किछ नाही।
तमना नाही हमें कोन करि परिबु
नहीं ताहले
योर लॉर्डशिप जस्ट इमेजिन
No. Just see the warrant which has been issued, page 8.
Yes, 8.
Yes.
Page 8.
Page 8.
Yes, page 8.
She wants that just verify this fact that whether this case.
No
is
such case is
to-
pending, yes.
What is this?
Oh, ये basis रे तो
Aଜ୍ଞା.
Yes, your lordship can you take up day after tomorrow.
Day after.
Sorry, today is Friday.
Monday.
So, Monday, yes.
Is your case what is this
Yes,
case
yes.
is about?
Exactly.
No clue about it.
अरे right, मैं पाई गई. That's it.
Page 8, huh?
Yes.
Simply attend to Tuesday. Yes. 25.
Item 25, Hon'Ble Mr. Gopal Agar. You want to time because it's some medical, then it's Monday or something.
There is one difficulty, my lord, I must point out. After the matter was taken up on the last date by your lordship, my lord, they have now subsequently issued a fresh summons. Although this is a case where complaint is filed under section 44, etc. They have now issued a fresh summons after the last date received by me on 13th. I've prepared an affidavit to place it on record, and I am to appear on 19th, that is Monday. I have no problem, I will go and appear. But the difficulty is, my lords, I don't want to become a state guest. 8 summons, my lord, during the pendency of the investigation.
This state treats well.
Lords, but sometimes, lords, too much of hospitality is not good also, my lord. So I have no difficulty. My friend wants some accommodation on a personal ground. There is no problem. I can't object to that. But no, they should not precipitate. If he has to go up here, he will go.
If the matter is pending again.
No coercive measures against him.
Time.
Monday.
Not Monday, my lords. I am in difficulty on Monday.
Then anytime.
Lordship habits whenever, whatever is convenient.
Then I'll record his statement and I'll give him liberty to move application for accommodation. You need not appear. You move appropriate application.
For what, my lord?
For adjournment. There in trial court.
No. First is a summons before the department. I have to now go to the department.
To appear in.
That is one on the 19th. Then before the court is on 22nd. I have not 2 visits, my lords, to make next week. So I just don't want, my lord, that they precipitate the matter. I will go answer the summons, whatever they are. 8 times I have been. I have not evaded.
22nd. Since in any case you are coming to the court, go on that day 22nd.
No, I don't know what they have in mind, my lords, because they are some of the ED summons is to, my lords, that the office. It is not to the court, my lord. That's a separate summons under section 50. They want to do further investigation. I don't know. But what I want is, my lords, that no coercive measures against me, because that is the order passed by Honorable Supreme Court in the predicate offense. I'm not asking for stay of investigation. I'm not asking for stay of trial. I'm conscious, my lords, all those kinds of orders lead in all kinds of difficulties later on. I'm only saying, my lords, no coercive measures against me. That's all I'm requesting.
So that then it is a kind of 438.
No. Not the issue is this, my lord. I will your lordships will recall in this case on 15th of March 2021, Honorable Supreme Court in the predicate offense, and that petition is still pending, said no coercive measures. At the state of discharge in the predicate offense.
Right.
That is where I am. I am on regular bail there, my lord. There is no difficulty there. I am not
You are seeking quashing up for the
of the PMLA, my lords. I am saying a logical extension of that order of the Honorable Supreme Court is
complaint has already been filed here.
Filed all
So
throughout.
the summons might have been issued to quash some other.
No. Because in the complaint they say I am reserving liberty to do further investigation. I am not disputing. Maybe they can, they cannot. That's a separate issue.
Where is that liberty?
Yes, my lord. They have reserved in the complaint.
Where is that?
In the complaint, my lord. Kindly have the complaint is document A1.
Yeah, I want to know whether in the same complaint they have issued notice or not.
Yes. No. Same. Now they have reserved liberty, my lord.
Where is the complaint?
Yes, in the complaint, kindly have at page 94. 94, document A1, 94, para 12.
I have someone's copy.
Yes.
May I read, my lord?
Yes, 1 minute.
I'm sorry.
Yes, yes,
My lord, has that? my lord?
yes.
It is humbly
Further
submitted.
investigation.
Yes, for further proceeds of crime, etc. Now the new summons I can hand over, my lord, is nothing but that. Wait, the second page. The second page is missing.
मैंने केस नंबर उसका चार्जशीट का केस नंबर निकालो
तुम्ही ती समज.
Yes, pass it on to lordship.
This is PMLA summon. How will I relate this summon with this case?
Yes, my lord, kindly come back to the complaint, my lord, page 60.
60. Okay.
60.
60. Okay.
Lordship will see last two lines at the bottom, ECIR bearing BBZO 13/21. That is the same, my lord's ECIR in this case.
ECIR
13/21, last line of that page, my lord.
BBZO.
Yes, 13/21 dated 19/3/21. That is the very same, my lord's file number which your lordship should
Yes,
see reference.
yes.
It's the same case.
Yes. What do you say? Why you are precipitating? The matter is pending here. The predicating offense, they file quashing of that and which is pending in Supreme Court. Hold your hands. Yeah, you don't proceed with this. Someone, I'll say it. See, the Supreme Court, insofar as predicating offenses are concerned, they've asked for discharge or quasi
Yes,
whatever.
discharge.
Which is pending. No courtship action order is there. That is operating. And this court is seized of this matter.
And what after your lordships take up the matter? After your lordships take up the matter.
I'll put it at 2 o'clock and come. 2 o'clock, it may not be possible. Come at 12 o'clock. Because after 3 o'clock, I won't hold the court. So therefore, I may not have time. So come at 12 o'clock.
Very well.
I'm not passing any order except saying that don't precipitate.
Very well. That's all I need.
That's the only thing. Because it's pending. In Supreme Court, it is pending. It is pending here. Why are you again further precipitating?
Grateful.
Yes.
12
o'clock. 12 o'clock.
May I please, ma'am? Although I have challenged the order of cognizance, but in the meantime, it is been settled between the parties and the parties are also before the Supreme Court, ma'am.
There.
Well,
What are the offenses?
195. Giving threatened to the.
My lord, I am for the petitioner.
the court party appear only because she has not filed the
No, where is that affidavit?
and sir the
I
case number
filed on yesterday the affidavit and also.
Where is that affidavit?
In the.
You filed affidavit.
हाँ,
Joint affidavit.
flag D.
बताइए कल order करा दिया ये matter कल you order joint affidavit. The parties have filed a joint affidavit dated so and so for you quasi कर ठीक है ठीक है
pass over, my lord. The parties are coming, my lord.
Okay, pass over. Pass over.
May I please tell us? The compromise, on the ground of compromise, this passing application is filed. Parties are not came, but they have filed the joint affidavit lawsuit.
Solve the party because 420
Yes.
and all. Better than
Yes, any day lawsuit next week.
Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday.
2 day lawsuit. Obliged.
All them, it's 420 and all.
Yes, yes.
You will be in trouble. Sometimes they say that I.
6,000 ଟଙ୍କା yes, Lord.
Things are on.
2012 matter. Yes, Lord. मंगलवार.
मंगलवार करिए ना बुधवार करिए
Yes, any day, Lord.
Online appeal is on. ঠিক আছে মঙ্গলবার টুডে টিউজডে
Tuesday, 19. Obliged.
32
My lord, on 31/1/24, Lordship directed the State Council to obtain instruction. Because, my lord, occurrence took place on the August 21. Till that, they have not filed any charge sheet, nothing, no investigation, nothing. So Lordship was.
My lord, investigation substantial progress, my lord. And up to, my lord, investigation, my lord, the accused persons are avoiding arrest, my lord, and the present person also filed answer that has been rejected. He also.
Not rejected, it is directed.
And
to
up to,
appear.
my lord.
Operate, then how the investigation?
No, no.
And other
We are there, my lord.
from the, my lord,
We are there, we are still we are in village. We are not, never the police has asked anything.
17/1/24, my lord.
For 2 years, 7 months has been passed, not a single day has been asked. I'm in the village, my lord.
Police may
I'm not,
maybe there in the village.
Lord, I'm a salesman, authorized salesman in a liquor shop. How will go? Where will go absent?
Director, my lord, taken
I mean,
order from this
excise
court.
people has conducted this, this is the excise case.
It obtained an order from this court to, in order to appear before the trial court, Thakur Secretary. That
No,
has
no,
not
no.
been, my
No,
lord,
he-
not complied, my lord. Not
No, no, no.
complied, my lord.
Here, my lord, I am challenging the affair on the ground that no case is made out because, my lord, here no allegation against me.
No.
My vehicle has been seized.
That's right, but.
And
it is
driver-
at- It is at the investigating stage, investigation stage, so therefore, I just wanted to know where is
Yes,
the stage.
No, that's why I have
You
given
don't
the.
cooperate, you don't go, when
No,
there is an order.
No,
why you
when
not-
they have not asked any, but
you
at
have
any point
taken-
of time,
You have taken an order from the court, why are you not complying?
first or second order is there.
Why don't you
But,
go there?
but my lord, here I am challenging the affair on the ground that,
Unless the charge sheet is filed, I will not get it.
no, lordship, that's why I have given the dates, the proceedings of the GR case. No, from
I know
5/8/2021.
That is the reason last date of hearing, I asked them to stay the trial, investigation.
Yes,
They
no,
are
no
saying
charge sheet
that-
has been filed, 2 years, 7 months.
Subjects, all the accused persons, my lord, they are absconding.
Or Muto Jane asi, Muto Jane, I am single person.
How
There
many?
are-
No, no, others are there.
But
Other
police
accused
must
persons
be
are there.
facing problem.
Other accused persons are there, my lord.
But allegation
And you-
against
why
two
don't you
drivers.
file the charge sheet showing them absconding?
My lord, police searching them, my lord.
Forget about searching, you file it,
And it's
file it, file.
There is a court order. Repeatedly the courts, there are 10 to 20 orders have been passed. The court will has directed.
The order of
Show
this.
me, show me that order.
Lord, annexure 2. Annexure 2, page 17, my lord. First order is 5/8/2021. They are awaiting final form. And my lord, I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Court order.
10 orders.
Duly pending.
Last order is my lord 24/8/23, 28/4.
That is the,
In the meantime, also 7 months have passed.
that is the
Awaiting
process
final
of the
form.
court, my lord. Always, my lord, when the FIR.
I know.
52, my lord.
FIR kale sabale se order pass karte ho.
Why don't you file the
Yes.
report,
My lord.
173 report, showing them absconding?
That is my lord, the police, my lord, for that reason, rather this petition and other.
I'm putting it next week, ask them, what is this status? Substantial,
Substantial progress, my lord.
what is that substantial?
My lord, none of the accused persons are cooperating, my lord.
But I am a separate single person. There are
Arrest them.
5,
They are in India.
My lord, that is the.
same police station, my lord. Under same police station I am
It is
doing.
impossibility that you can't arrest them. Arrest them. Arrest all of them,
My lord.
if required. What is this? I'm putting it on the 23rd.
My lord.
23rd. Arrest them.
Here, my lord, they have seized liquor from the 2 Maruti vans. One Maruti van belonged to me. Lord, there is no allegation that I was there or anything. From conscious position of driver has been. Lord, the driver is the accused. I am not the accused.
Investigation is on.
No.
You don't know. You can't, whatever you are saying may be correct, may not
Yes,
be correct.
sir. Yes.
They have to verify that.
No, no.
23rd, I am kept.
Lord, in 52 cases, they will take time for 2 years, 7 months
I
for
know,
investigation.
That is the reason.
No, that's why I have come. No, that's why I have come, my lord.
23rd, if you don't do, I'll pass it.
What happened
Straight
in this,
away.
my lord? The, my lord, seized materials sent for.
I don't know. 23rd, if you don't do,
My lord.
I'll simply quash it.
No chemical examination, nothing. Not chemical examination is not there also. You have seized the
What
materials,
if
you have not
they
chemical examination.
Send the for chemical examination,
And
my
Lord-
lord, the police send the exhibits, my lord.
173(8),
Not-
keep it open and file
Yes.
it preliminary charge sheet. Who stops you? 23rd. Here,
Obliged.
next. Compromise? 29. Call 29, who is there?
The matrimonial.
Parties are there.
Your lordship shall comply the order.
Service. Service. Huh? Huh? Notice was issued, no?
Notice issue is na? Notice.
Yes, 19/1/2024.
Notice was
Notice
of
achi
police
tatre.
party 19/1/24. 5031. Huh? Awaiting service.
My lords,
Leave the matter, confidential, awaiting service on correspondence.
submission before your lordship, my lord. Till then, the petitioner are working as the teacher, my lord. Your lordship has granted the further proceeding magistrate. Further proceeding.
Further proceeding.
490 day of the.
Further proceeding. Further proceeding.
Yes, yes.
Different.
Notice further proceeding in so on this state. Urgent guru.
34, my lord, matter has been settled outside the court, my lord. The parties are present.
Where are they? Where are they?
34.
420-34.
My lord,
420-34.
420/34.
Sorry?
OP number 2 and 3 have not received the notice
Okay, urgent. Awaiting notice.
on next on 21st. And the interim order continue.
Entry model to country. Yes.
My lord,
Yes.
in this case, my lord, your lordship directed on 7th February 2024 that last portion of the order, kindly have a glance. The next date of the meantime, he may move to appropriate application
Yes,
before the court below seeking adjournment.
Say order.
But I have-
Say order diyantu. Say order diyantu. Ye lordship kindly see this order. How dare my lord the learned magistrate is not taking care of this order, not responding, not respecting the order.
Further hearing today in court below, and if he undertakes to file the Yes. This is the order they gave.
Yes, your lordship kindly have a glance.
7/24.
Last portion of the order on 7th February 2024. Last portion of the order, I have downloaded copy, I have sought, but that was not accepted. And he advised me to file the certified copy. And after filing the certified copy, he rejected my petition and posted tomorrow for judgment.
ଏବେ ତ ସବୁଆଡେ ଅନଲାଇନ ଚାଲିଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦିଆଯାଉଛି ଯଦି ଅନଲାଇନ କପି ଆପଣ ୱେଟ୍ କରିବେ
He says that there is no direction for.
No, no. It a online copy, so it is not a certified copy, so I cannot accept this.
Last he says, in their order dated 7/2/24, the Honorable Court has not directed the court to adjourn the present case and defer the pronouncement of judgment in the same. As the case is already posted for judgment, the prayer of the accused for the adjournment has no merit.
My lord, judgment kindly have my lord. On 6th, my lord, I have filed a petition that the case is pending. And without argument, how he has gone for judgment, my lord.
What is this case is about?
My lord, that's it. I have filed a 311 petition.
311 petition.
311 petition to
recall of
yes. PW 1, 2, 3. And
1, 2, and 3.
3. Victim and father and mother.
Father and mother.
Both.
You show me the statement for these three.
My lord, I have applied.
Why have you not cross-examined them?
My lord, I have applied for a certified copy that is not.
That's the whole difficulty you do. Give the
statement.
This copy also. I don't need certified copy.
My lord.
I need to know why at this last stage you want recalling of this defense evidence.
Only your lordship has taken a sympathetically view. My friend has appeared, and your lordship you are directed. You just file a time petition, and
we'll see.
We will issue notice to the opposite party. Then we will see what will be.
I wanted to see the statement of the witnesses.
Yes.
He doesn't have that statement also.
My lord, statement is with me, my lord.
Achi?
Statement.
And you want recall of the witnesses, the court needs to know what are the evidences recorded.
My lord.
Why have you not cross-examined them?
My lord, because there is a settlement between for the marriage. For that reason, we have not asked some important questions regarding photograph, love letters, and mobile recording. That was not exposed because there is a compromise between the parties.
So the compromise didn't go.
Compromise after 4 months, my lord, marriage was commenced. Both married, victim girl and the petitioner, and due to protest of the father and mother, marriage was not made. So lordship direct to produce
looking to the others, he has no case at all. Only that day, your lordship sympathetically consider that let us issue notice to the opposite party, and you
what he says that when the cross-examination was taking place, that time there was a settlement.
And
so therefore the document incrementing evidences, whatever they are having,
yes,
they did not expose it because it may affect their marriage or settlement.
Right.
But the settlement didn't work. Yes. And they got they lost the opportunity to place those thing on record. But by way of defense evidence, you could have brought those things on
my lord, for confrontation, my lord, it is necessary that the girl will present. Otherwise, my lord, both will appear before your lordship, girl and the boy. Then matter will be solved, my lord, without interference of the father and mother. They have got married, and more than as per the certificate, is more than 17 years, and actually 18 years the girl. POSCO Act is not attracted. My lord.
Yes, Mr. Maharaj, just tell me this very critical position.
That day also your lordship consider this
because the parents of the girl appears to be creating problem.
Yes.
In the marriage of both the petitioner and the victim girl.
That is why your lordship directed to let us issue notice. Let them to appear.
What is the position? Notice position.
Notice, my lord, I have already
You have
Related.
completed opposite party number 2,
2 and 3, 2,
informant,
my lord,
no, informant and victim. Have you
all
completed that?
3 way.
Okay, and notice, what is the position of notice? Just see, take it up. Notice.
Flag 1, 2, 3.
Just see, check it up.
Flag 1, 2, 3.
You were married for 4 months.
Married.
Valid marriage.
Marriage in the temple, my lord.
Huh?
In presence of the petitioner's family.
Huh? Not delivered. The notice is not.
Not delivered, but not returned, my lord. It is in the speed post by actually.
সেটা ঠিক যে the victim কি
Service is
নোটিশটা ডেলিভার হয়নি নোটিস রিটার্ন ব্যাক ফ্রম নোটিস received from
The on such and such day, on 7/2/2024, notice was issued to opposite party number 2 to 4. Newly pleaded opposite party number 2 to 4. 4. Service is awaited. While adjourning the matter, adjourning matter, the following order was passed. Para 4. Para 4. Where is that? The land counsel for the petitioner submits that pursuant to the said order, he moved an application for the court below seeking adjournment. Seeking adjournment, adjournment as the matter is submitted before the court. However, the learned trial court, learned additional SJ special court, Niagara, rejected the application for adjournment and posted the matter for judgment. Posted this matter for judgment. Next, land counsel for the petitioner submits that he has moved the application under 311 to recall PW 1, 2, and 3. On 2 and 3. He submits that the petitioner and the victim girl were married for 4 months. 4 months. During that point in time, the cross-examination had taken place. Since the relationship was revived, no, the petitioner did not subject the witnesses to cross-examine. However, subsequently, due to the intervention of the parents of the victim, the relationship, the marriage between the petitioner, marriage between the victim girl and the petitioner had gone into a rough phase. Therefore, the petitioner is seeking to further re-examination of those witnesses. And for the land counsel for the petitioner further submits that only due to the intervention of the parents of the victim, the petitioner, the marriage between the petitioner and the victim has marred. M-A-R-R is marked. Taking into consideration the aforementioned submission at the bar, I'm inclined to pass the interim order staying the further proceeding before the further proceeding of TR case number 114 of 22 pending before the Court of Additional Sessions Judge from Special Court under POCSO Act Niagara till next date of hearing. Till the next date of hearing. Release the matter on 23rd.
My lord, stay order. I have filed. Stay petition. I have.
Which age?
I have stayed the proceeding till 23rd.
My lord, in course of the copy, certified copy may be supplied in course of today. But that may be written, my lord. No, otherwise I will not get.
Tomorrow is the date for
Let us
pronouncement.
see if they come, if
Yes,
whatever
yes.
he says is
Yes,
correct.
yes.
Then we can
do something for that.
If it is not correct, then
Then
has
it
to be
will take
dismissed.
its own course.
It has to be dismissed.
Yes, yes.
I have taken the statement made by you to be correct,
Yes.
and I am staying the proceeding. If it turn out to be wrong, then the petition has to be dismissed.
My lord, victim girl, if you call the victim girl.
I have issued notice, let them come.
Process.
Let us see.
My lord.
Let us- Okay.
Your Lordship, Mr. Panda is on accommodation today.
Huh?
Mr. Panda is on accommodation today.
Urgent.
This matter may be taken up in the.
Urgent. You don't decide the date.
Yes, sir.
The court, let the court decide the date. Okay. You want an adjournment, you got it. Be happy with that. Okay.
Meantime, I will bring in front of the court to get the state council the instruction from the land whether charge sheet is filed or not, because they are filed. Get for informant.
You come and say.
Let him take instruction about whether charge sheet is filed.
I will take instruction. Take it. 40.
Your Lordship, interim orders continue.
Interim order to continue.
Deep to apply.
40.
Beg to appear for the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
Lord, here I have received the affidavit, objection affidavit filed by the vigilance today.
You have not got it.
I have received today, my lord.
So you want to.
Yes, my lord. Any other date, my lord? Next week, any date.
You are appearing for opposite party number 2.
No, it's a for the petition.
I am for the petitioner.
It's a vigilance matter. He has sought for quashment of the proceeding in a DA case on the ground of a delay of non-completion of investigation.
Anyway, but
Anyway, he wants time for to go through the
Objection that
objection
has been filed.
affidavit. Let
But any day next week, my lord.
let it
is a short
come.
Point.
submit that he has received the objection filed by the opposite party today, and he plans to revert back on the date of the agenda.
Great.
41.
Kindly taken up March 1st.
They have to file a joint affidavit.
Joint affidavit.
Agenda party.
42 Lordship, further 10 days may be given to obtain the copy of the order. Though I have applied that, but I am not getting.
Some interim order.
No, but also it was an entry order. I have to comply the order, deposit the 20,000 in the lower court. Last time you also had this matter. Lordship may remember the petitioner opposite party happened to husband wife. They are separate each other at least 30 years. After 30 years, after getting the permanent alimony from the court, that is the judicial order. Again, she was sick for a maintenance in a DB case when it was introduced. In that case, matter has been settled, affidavit has been filed. My friend disputing that affidavit, Lordship said they obtain the order of the.
Today you are asking for adjournment.
Or Lordship. And for the 10 days, though I have applied the copy, I am not getting Lordship.
Appearing for the opposite party wife.
Seeking time, no problem. Leave it till March.
The entry order there,
Interim order
Lordship.
to continue.
Lordship.
42.
Yes.
Lordship, my humble prayer is that a last adjournment must be granted because the wife is a destitution.
Once the interim order is given, some tactics are.
No, because a mere 500 rupees has only been granted by the learned court below. And we are completely disputing.
Last final opportunity.
Grateful.
Yes. Yes. Next. Yes. Yes.
Mr. Hon'Ble is on way, my lord, wait to half an hour. My lord. Before lunch, he is just reached.
My lord,
Mr. Agarwal is coming.
my lord, I am on the way, my lord, kindly. Actually, I had an emergency, or medical emergency.
Yes.
So
Mr. Agarwal.
yes, my lord.
Everybody is waiting for you.
My lord, I am just reaching, my lord, I am on the way, my lord.
It's all right. It's all right. You please come. No problem.
Yes, yes,
Before
my
lunch,
lord.
anytime you come, I will take it.
No, my lord, oblige, my lord. I'll just reach, my lord.
It's all right. He's driving. Let him come.
May I please, my lord. My lord, this application related to the release of the vehicle implicated in the NDPS Act, my lord. And so far, this petitioner's vehicle is
457.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, what happened?
My lord, what the impugnment order, my lord, that is page 19, is contrary to the 52A of the NDPS Act and the Gazette notification and the SOP also, my lord. Just have a glance, the page 19, my lord.
Yes.
Page line 19, last para, my lord. May I read it, my lord?
In this regard.
No, hence on perusal.
Yes.
Hence on perusal the of the miscase.
19, huh?
19, my lord.
19, okay.
19.
Hence in perusal.
Hence on perusal of the miscase filed by the petitioner and in view of the guidelines of Honorable High Court of Orissa reported in WPC number 3258 of 2021 by a division bench and a CRL-REV number 404 of 2020, CRL-REV number so and so and CRL-REV number so and so, a single bench headed by the Honorable Justice S. Pujahari, it is found that only the prosecution oblique investigation agency can file an application for release of the seized vehicle, my lord. On this ground, they have rejected my application, my lord.
Because it is moved by you instead of the
investigation agency or
Yes, my lord. For that reason, that they have liberty only prosecution or investigation agency to be filed for the release of the vehicle, my lord. We are not the bona fide, my lord. That's why they have rejected, my lord.
Where is that SOP?
My lord.
That judgment?
Yes, my lord.
Where is it?
For that, my lord, why it is contra?
Where is that judgment to me?
Judgment, my lord, I have annexed so many judgments, including our High Court, my lord. Before going to the judgment, my lord, just I am trying to the attention, lordship, the notification, my lord.
Yes, page 20.
No, prior to that, 52A also necessary, my lord. My lord, after
I told you something the other day.
Yes, my lord. My vehicle is not for the disposal, my lord. My vehicle is escorting vehicle, not disposal. Jimanama is enough, my lord.
contraband articles, my lord, carried in the truck, my lord. And this petition also asked the owner.
The distinction is for the purpose of disposal, this SOP has to be
Yes,
applied. Not for release.
Pre-trial Jimanama.
57. That's the distinction.
Yes, yes, my lord. My lord, in this case, my lord, 52A is inserted after the amendment of in 2014, my lord.
Yes.
And in 52A, the 52A, I am just reading, my lord. The central government may, having regard to the hazardous nature, vulnerability of the theft, substitution, constraint to proper storage space, or any other relevant consideration in respect of any narcotic drug, psychotropic substance, controlled substance, or conveyance, my lord. Conveyance comes in the vehicle, my lord.
Right.
By notification in the official gazette, specify such narcotic, drug, psychotropic substance, controlled substance, or conveyance, or class of narcotic drug, class of psychotropic substance, class of controlled substance, or conveyance, which shall as soon as may be after their seizure be disposed by such officer and in such manner as the government may for the time to time.
For disposal.
Disposal, my lord.
Yes.
After 52A, my lord, the central government has published a gazette notification, my lord. In that gazette notification, there is a manner how they have disposed, my lord. They have not denied it, my lord. Just have a glance, the notification
But
I
you
have
are not
also.
asking for disposal. You
Yes, I am also not asking.
only Jimanama.
Yes, only pre-trial Jimanama, my lord. That is my
These
case.
things are not applicable to
Yes, my lord.
What do you say?
In fact,
He
my
is
lord,
not asking for disposal of the vehicle. He is only asking for Jimanama with some conditions.
in fact, my
That
lord,
application was in fact maintainable.
in fact, my lord, the petitioners are not accused in this case, my lord.
Maybe, but
My lord.
owner of the vehicle.
My lord.
My vehicle is not the offending vehicle, my lord, here
That
in
is
this case
the
also.
vehicle, but in fact, my lord, your lordship should and
No,
directed.
but
My lord, one second, my lord, since the order, my lord, itself, my lord,
the order only says that since it is moved, not moved by the prosecution, so therefore it has to be
That is contrary, my lord.
my
No, where it is
your
submitted.
lordship should the order and directed the put the application. Since there are the controversies here, my lord.
এই কথাই কইবে না
একরা কেন কইবে
কইবে এটা
এটা ক্লারিফাই হয়ে যাব
Lordship, clarify it, my lord. Only this clarification
clarify
is
kare
highly
aap-
necessary and whole
I'll
Odisha
set aside the order,
awaiting
my
for
lord.
the judgeship's order, my lord.
What you need clarification.
My lord, that is the judgment. Coach. That is page 40, my lord. page 40, paragraph 6, my lord. This is the contrary to the law and the notification. Page 40.
40, yes.
Yes, 40. Paragraph 6, my lord. According giving liberty to the prosecution investigation agency to seek disposal, and so that is the contrary to the law, my lord. Where it is not mentioned that the investigation agency or the prosecution has to file the
You have not read it fully. Read it.
accordingly giving liberty to the prosecution investigation agency to seek disposal of the conveyance in the question under section 52A of the NDPS Act before the magistrate concerned, and in that event the magistrate concerned shall deal with the same accordance with the law, more particularly in the light of the direction given the aforementioned division bench judgment of this court. This
It is only regarding disposal.
disposal, my lord.
You are not asking for this.
No, I am
You are
not asking
for
for
release.
disposal. Yes, my lord.
73 to the confiscation.
Come on.
No confiscation.
Where is the impugn order? Where is the impugn order?
Impeachment order, that is page 20, page 19 to page 19, my lord.
Okay. The application of the petitioner under section 457 CRPC for release of what vehicle is that?
My lord, that is Alto, my lord.
Alto vehicle.
Yes, my lord.
Which was employed for escorting the escorting the seized vehicle. Recovery tire na?
No recovery.
Escorting the
Operating vehicle, madam. Escorting the operating.
Employed for escorting the employed as an escort vehicle to the offending vehicle in the case, case has been turned down. The court below has turned down the application on 15/11/2022. Inter alia stating is under page 19, last para, hence to agree. The sole ground of rejection of the application is that since the application was not initiated by the prosecution or investigating agency, they cannot find favors from the court. Cannot find favors from the court. The trial court has relied upon the judgment of this court passed in, where is that judgment? Judgment of this court passed in.
That is judgment, my lord.
Here, judgment of this court
WPC
in CRL RB number 32 of 2020, Naka Shankar Rao versus State of Orissa, on 4/2/2020. The operating part of the said judgment is para 6 and 7 of the para 6 of the
6 only.
Para 6 of the the aforementioned judgment supra is confined to the disposal of the conveyance employed in crime, allegedly employed in crime. However, the present petitioner is seeking a release of the vehicle on Jimanama.
Yes.
Jimanama with the condition, with certain conditions, as may be fit and proper, as may be fit and proper. Therefore, the impugn order is passed, and the petitioner is allowed to move a fresh application seeking release of the vehicle if the application is moved within 15 days from today. The same shall be, if such application is moved, the same shall be disposed of on its merit within 15 days hence. Petition now.
Obliged.
Yes. Sorry? Last item. It will take time actually. Yes, sir. Last 55. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That lady was here.
Yes.
Today he has stated that for some health problem he could not come, my lord.
The interim order is operating.
My lord.
Let it operate.
My lord.
I've taken away the money, now anxiety is mine.
No, no,
When do you want?
next week, any day, your lordship may. So, subject to
Next week.
my senior, whatever.
Let it be on 27th, 28th.
My lord.
Personal appearance.
Personal appearance. Your lordship has the order.
Opposite party number 2, na?
Yes.
The land council for the
I am appearing to
opposite party number 2 submits that the client would appear on the matter on 27th.
My lord, I am appearing to the
Another
number
council is
2.
today appearing to.
And yesterday she had come and filed affidavit.
She was to come today, what has received?
27th, I am listing it, bring it.
My lord, can you see the affidavit?
I am taking out on the.
My lord.
Then council for the opposite party number 2 has filed.
Affidavit,
Counter affidavit. Counter affidavit is taken.
Paragraph
Copy is supplied to the opposite.
Paragraph 4 of the affidavit is
My lord,
not interested
to proceed with the city case pending before the London SDGM Bhubaneswar 7700/2022 and the city case number 350.
Why can't she appear through VC? Monday I'll watch it.
VC रे appear कर दिया VC रे appear
Yesterday she had come and made affidavit before the court commissioner.
She has not come here in court.
No, my lord, she had come late.
But see, these kind of cases, if it's
Yes,
better that she should be there. Tomorrow something may.
My lord, I will call her.
Monday?
Monday, my lord.
Monday, you bring her. Monday, keep it in Monday.
My lord.
Take the affidavit on record. Let her come in VC.
My lord, my
No,
name maybe.
physically she will be present here.
My Vakalatnama may be ignored, my lord, Ajit Kumar Mahanti, because after me, he had taken any, no objection.
entry order like I give
Entry order to continue Monday.
My lord.
यहाँ से तो खत्म कर दो.
Again.
Yes. 44.
44 may I please, my lords. 44 may I please, my lords. I am for the opposite party, my lord.
Opposite party.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Acharya.
This
What
is
is this exactly?
this matter is my lord, assigning to a small question, my lord, with regard to date of application or date of application of maintenance, my lord. That he has challenged.
Date of
Date of my lord, the award of maintenance has to be passed from the date of interim application or the primary application. That is his sole contention.
you say that the interim application.
My lord, the order has been passed from the date of application as per paragraph 111 of.
He says that from interim.
Yes.
What
That
is the
is-
difference?
My lord, the date was
Main application was filed in
filed in the year 2015 and the interim application 18, 17.
No, 18.
No, 18.
17.
My lord, I do not have the judgment right now
You
and
get then subject to paying the interim maintenance as it is you are getting interim maintenance. Let it adjust.
stay is operating probably, my lord.
Stay operating subject to or he paying you the maintenance.
Not in that.
He is paying you. It's matter of
If-
the area.
Yes, ma'am.
Area
Area,
of
ma'am.
that period.
Yes. Even if, my lord, this is arising out of a matrimonial discord and the divorce has already been granted and matrimonial appeals
Let
have.
us, we will ask him whether he can give some lump sum amount. It is
My lord, the
he
learned court has
already paid
allowed.
4 lakhs 66,000
My lord,
something.
the Mata is pending, my lord, so your lordship may keep it to some other
That's
day.
what I'm saying.
Obliged, my lord. My appearance, my lord, may be
His appearance.
obliged, my lord.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, challenge FIR and the criminal proceeding, my lord.
Last occasion, your lordship was directed to get the charge sheet
Where is it?
to verify the 164 statement of the victim lady, my lord.
Have you filed it?
No, my lord, I couldn't file it. It is well available with me.
File it, sir.
Yes, my lord, I am having a copy, Xerox
File it
photocopy.
on record, give a copy to.
Photocopy. Yes, my lord.
Whatever.
Who copy ta kojani?
Entire charge sheet, ra?
Charge sheet more back. I am
He is
having
having one.
all.
File it on record.
My lord. Let him to file the
Yes.
documents.
Land Council petitioner seeks time to file the additional document.
Entire charge sheet, my lord.
Let him do so within 2 weeks.
May I place the 164 statement, my lord?
File all these things, bring it on record. How can I read it like this? You throw papers like this. Bring it on
Register
record.
file. May I pray an interim order, my lord?
Interim order is already there.
No, my lord.
You file it on record.
Today
it is
itself I
your
will be
petition. You don't file document.
Yes, my lord. Today itself I will be filing your lordship.
File, then I'll put it next week anytime. Put it in next week anytime.
Monday, my lord. Can I pray Monday?
Monday, madam. See, if you need interim direction, you should have filed all the document beforehand. You would give an opportunity. Nothing is there on record. You throw the paper and ask for.
No, my lord. Though I had got information that he is happy.
482 petition means you have to file all the documents.
Yes, my lord.
Not that one page application and say that ask them to bring
My lord, though it's a legal aid brief, poor person. That's why I couldn't avail it in proper time, my lord. That's
Anyway,
why.
now since you have got it,
Yes.
file it. I'll take it up for next week. Next week. 26th, I'll take it up. 26th.
Obliged.
Okay.
So may I be pardoned, my lord? Item informers.
Passed over already.
Pass over dita will nahi.
Did
Passed over. Okay. Yes.
44 urgent.
Urgent. Urgent. He has asked for.
No, my lord. I didn't ask.
Oh, you are not there. You
Yes,
are
sir.
enjoying the entry motor.
Yes.
Yes.
May I please, here last time I was directed the state to file a chart indicating the specific role of the petitioner, my lord.
Yes.
It's a case of the year 2013, where an allegation has been made.
Yes, Mr. Maharaj, have you filed it? Or you need time?
This case urgent to first March.
4th of March.
4th of March.
My lord.
Urgent is last of the lordship dispose one case and giving.
My lords, actually the problem here is my
Yes, yes.
My lords, I am here for serial incident number 2998, my lord. Your lordship on the last occasion, that is on 8/2024, your lordship have heard the matter and continued the interim order and posted it for 4/3/2000.
Let it come
And
and we'll see. Along with that.
but the interim order has not been reflected in my order, my lord. That's the
On to interim order to continue.
my lord.
All the cases, my lord.
All the cases. Interim order. Continue. Just reflect the interim order. Otherwise, there will be. Okay.
Of like-
4th March.
My- 47, may I please, my lords. My lords, on the last occasion, that is right, order dated 6/2024, lordship.
Have you filed requisites?
My lords, and the
See
notice.
the service position. Code 119. Address cannot be located.
But according to me, my lords, from instructions, he has received the notice, my lords. In the
Here the track report says the address cannot be located. So let us wait. Let us see. 2 o'clock he may come. Pass it over.
my lords.
Yes. 48. Yes.
My pleasure. On the other day, your lordship was directed to State Council to produce the records of the confiscation proceeding.
There is a confiscation proceeding. Enter file.
Confiscation proceeding, right?
Entire record.
Enter. And I have flag marked for your lordship's convenience.
There is confiscation proceeding.
Yes, yes.
What to do?
Hmm.
457, if there is a confiscation proceeding. Where is the
Just,
question of
just I am reminding your lordship's kind attention
Right.
to the order passed by the London magistrate.
You say it is not complied.
Your lordship, I have a glance how mischief has been committed. That was observed by the court. If such type of things will be allowed to be continued, then there is no relief. Your lordship, this order was passed on 18/9/23, my lord.
18?
18/9/23.
The order of relief.
Yeah.
Yeah, 89. It is 457 order.
My lord.
Order 18/9/23. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your lordship may turn to the next page of the order.
Page number?
Page number 35.
Okay. 35. Okay. Yes.
May I read the entire portion so it will be more clear?
Yes, yes.
On further perusal of the case record, it is found that on 25/8/23, the authorized officer cum superintendent for excise Cuttack has passed an ex parte order for confiscation of the alleged seized vehicle bearing number so and so. And on the same day, this court has also allowed the petition filed by the petitioner section 457 CRP for release of the alleged seized vehicle in his favor and directed him to produce the photograph of the video footage of the alleged seized vehicle, but the authorized officer cum superintendent of excise Cuttack has communicated the order of confiscation to this court on 5/9/23. It further reveals that after the order on dated 25/8/23 of this court, the petitioner took the photograph and video footage of the alleged seized vehicle at PS on 30/8/23. That means, your lordship, compare the dates. 25/8/23, the confiscation order was said to have been passed. On 30th, the seizing officer allowed to take the photographs. At that time, there is no disclosure that confiscation proceeding has been initiated and order has been passed. Thereafter, the order says, here the question comes to the mind that how the IO allowed the petitioner to take took the photograph and video footage of the alleged seized vehicle if the entire proceeding of the authorized officer cum superintendent of excise Cuttack was known to him. Further, the authorized officer cum superintendent of excise Cuttack has communicated the confiscation order dated 25/8/23 of this court to this court after lapse of 11 days, and during this period, the entire proceeding under section 157 CRPC was disposed of by this court. After disposal of the petition by this court, the authorized officer cum superintendent of excise Cuttack and the IAC Chowlagan PS has communicated the fact of confiscation to this court. It shows that there may be some deceitful practice between the authorized officer cum superintendent of excise Cuttack and the IO stroke IAC Chowlagan PS. Hence, the authorized officer cum superintendent of the excise Cuttack is directed to take appropriate step for release of the alleged seized vehicle bearing number so and so. Both the petitioners are disposed of, sent an extract of the order to the authorized officer. So the court created doubt the manner in which the entire things were taken place. Court directed to take the photograph. The IO allowed me to take the photograph and produced it. In pursuant to that, my application was allowed and release order was issued. If the entire process was started, confiscation process was started, that could have been intimated to the court that confiscation proceeding has been initiated. Thereby, the court will stop the proceeding so far the 457 petition is concerned. That was not done. So all the things appear to be has been done or manipulated in order to prevent a person to get his legitimate right as per the statute. And the authorized officer is a quasi-judicial officer, overcome the judicial order, and this is the mischief played. Now the question is, my friend has produced the entire file. Whether your lordship may go through whether the notice was served on me or not before confiscation proceeding. That is the mandate of law. Notice is to be served on.
Then the remedy is you have to challenge that confiscation proceeding order.
Mala?
The confiscation proceeding order, you have to challenge.
Yes, I will challenge. I say how they subvert the order of the judicial order of the court.
That's right.
That is the,
But the only problem is, see, on 25/8/2023, the confiscation proceeding had already ended.
my lord,
There is an order of confiscation.
my lord.
And on 18th September 2023, this 457 is allowed.
No, no, no.
On the face of the record that there was a confiscation order.
On
how
25th,
that could be allowed.
just a minute, my lord. On 25/8/23, the court passed the order allowing the 457 petition. Am I clear? And they said that on the very day confiscation order was passed. On the same day, two orders were passed. One is a judicial order, another is a
That is 457 order and confiscation order.
Exactly. And the court expressed the doubt about the authenticity of that proceeding in view of the facts which I read out from the order itself. And the court says that it is nothing but a hand in glove between the seizing officer and the authorized officer.
No, everything is all right. But how can in this petition, I'll set aside that, I allow that order to be carried out, 457 order, in the face of the fact that there is.
That's why I filed a petition on section 482 inherent jurisdiction of this court. If these things will continue, then how a person will get the relief? That's why I bring my lord's kind attention. Your lordship may see whether the proper notice was issued behind my.
This has to be seen now.
Now, well, this is one part. If my senior permits me, then I play. But this is one part. So far, let it, my lord, keep it aside. So far, the confiscation proceeding is concerned. Now, my lord, the magistrate order has been challenged before your lordship. Right, my lord? Now, that order has already been filed before the United Sessions Judge, where it has been stated. It has been stated that your lordship may kindly see your lordship pass the order of your lordship.
No, what he says is whether in the confiscation proceeding, whether proper procedure was followed.
Yes.
Only to subvert the order under 457 on the same day,
Yes.
confiscation order is passed.
No, your lordship.
Whether you have followed the right procedure.
Exactly. I have followed. That is why I have flag marked all the dates. That is the important date.
But he is entitled to see
That
that.
I may be permitted to go through the file and make a commission.
Then the recourse would be just check it up. Whether in confiscation proceeding, right procedure was followed or not.
Exactly.
Right procedure is-
That is the crux of the matter.
Maybe the dates are a coincidence. And the same day both the orders are passed. What to do?
Let us see the bona fide of the authorized officer in the case record. Please provide me.
Yes, nahi, mu to xerox dei paribini, but I can provide this entire document. My senior may.
Mr. Maharaja had produced the entire record insofar as the confiscation proceedings.
Yes.
Is concerned. Mr. Mahapatra, the senior counsel, seeks time to inspect the record so as to verify as to whether the right procedure contemplated under the provisions of law is complied insofar as confiscation proceeding is concerned or not. He may do so during the course of the day. Matter is adjourned to give a date on first, second or third month. 4th March, 4th or 5th March. 5th March. You just see, you are junior.
With the liberty, if I so desire, I will file an affidavit after going through that record. That will be better.
I am no one to suggest you, but you have a better solution also. You know that.
I know, but I want to say that how the executive agency is subverting the judicial order, they are adopting a unfair means. That is the whole.
Insofar as this petition is concerned, we have to go into that question. But insofar as the confiscation.
So that is a different thing. You will challenge it. But my concern is that if the judicial orders will be overcome by the executive in this manner, then
dangerous thing.
Dangerous. That is my.
He also agrees to that.
Yes.
No one will allow that a judicial order could be subverted by a executive authority. This manner. We will examine that part. But in the same time, the other
record, that is a different issue. He will go to appeal. That is
just take it up.
But even if my petition will be infructuous in view of the development, but still I say that a judicial order is to pass considering the factual aspect, how the things are happening. Because we are ruled governed under rule of law. And the court is the supreme. Executive authority only to implement the law.
Absolutely.
They are not the authority.
Absolutely. That is the reason I have called for the record. Let us examine it. If anything is found, then we will take accordingly. Yes. His junior will just look at it.
My item 49, my lord.
Mr. Agrawal has come. Yes.
My item 49, I am for the petitioner. It's arising 138 proceeding. Compromising part between the parties. Notice was issued and the noting say that, my lord, it has been sufficient, my lord. But I don't think that anybody has appeared.
138,
My lord.
You are the accused.
Yes, my lord. There is a compromise under Annexure 2. I paid 2 lakh rupees.
What is the service to here?
Noting said, well, he has been sufficient. my lord. Noting said.
What to do?
It's uncomfortable. Well, I paid the entire amount. There is a agreement to that effect, my lord. In fact, he's supposed to.
I have stayed the proceeding.
Yes, you stayed. Let it be stayed, my lord. Interim to continue.
Interim to continue. Service is continue. Continue. The matter on first week. Let it.
My lord. First week of March. My lord.
This is a 50 over. Now pass over matter. Here.
Agrawal is here.
Yes.
Item 17 was passed over.
Okay, 12 o'clock. I'll just take up.
17, let it come on any other day. Interim order is there. If my lord.
Next Friday.
17.
Next Friday, interim order.
Interim order to continue. Last week of March.
23rd. 23rd.
First week of March.
First week of March.
This month is very difficult.
Let's see.
Let it be first week of March.
Any date.
He's happy because he's enjoying.
No, let's see. Not that far. Not like that.
A date, but
7th March. 7th March. 7th.
Well,
I may be paternal lordship. Item number 19.
I'll take it up. I'm just all passport matters. I'll take it up. One matter. Yes.
সেটা अर्जेंट हे जाईची 27 मार्च को छोटो शॉर्ट डेट गोटे चाहूची
Short date.
सीनियर सिटीजन सर
Maybe, but you are asking for adjournment. Then what to do?
नहीं
The board has to, you know.
अर्जेंटमेंट मागिनी सर
Then
स्टेट काउंसिल अर्जेंट मागिली तो
may not be possible. We will see.
My lord, item 18.
I'll take up all the matters, sir.
My lord, item 18. Fortunately or unfortunately, I missed that one.
I'll take it up. 18 years. Withdrawn. Somebody has withdrawn it.
My lord, initially in the ABLA anticipatory bill.
I don't know.
And the council.
Petition council.
Which has been partly awarded to the co-accused and subsequently the.
You are for whom?
Filed by.
You are for whom?
So I am for the present petitioner.
Somebody gave a memo and withdraw.
Case was filed by Chittaranjan Patnaik and subsequently I filed my Wakilatinama. And
what to do? He says that I am withdraw. See, I have to respect the statement.
Petitioner should not be suffered.
I don't know. You move an application. I'll recall that. You move an application. This is unfair. I take the statement of the council at its face value. This is not that. Then I'll not entertain any mentioning.
I am the counsel for the previous.
Whatever. How will I? A memo is filed and I have accepted it and he withdrawn the petition and now you are saying something.
Then I'll file one petition first.
You file the petition. Let us. You say you tell all these things.
The course of the day.
Then I'll not entertain the mentioning at all. Then. What is this?
In the course of the day, I will file.
You do whatever you want to do. I'll release it. Move an application. Let us see. And bring all these facts, whatever you are saying.
Obliged.
So that if wrongly he has made some statement without instruction, then I'll take appropriate, steps for that.
I am filing the petition.
This is very unfair.
My lord, may I pardon? Item number 27. You will be directed to appear the petitioner reproduction also. He has some personal difficulty. One petitioner has some personal difficulty and another has ill. I want to
March. Yes. 25.
Please.
This is the only matter remain then. There. Yes.
My lord,
Yes.
before my,
No, what he says is.
what he says, I will just clarify within 1 minute, my lord. First of all, my lord, my duty is to bring to my lord's notice, earlier one CRLMC number 2891 of 2023 was filed.
Yes.
That was disposed of by my Lord Justice Sankar Mishra. If your lordship is hearing, I have no objection, my lord.
What kind of, it's the second time it's coming.
Yes, that is the Supreme Court direction, so it is my duty to bring it to the notice of my lords. Secondly, my lord,
Where is that order?
that order your lordship kindly.
I showed it to you, my lords, on the last occasion.
No, that Supreme Court order only this in regard to the.
No, it's filed, my lord. The earlier order in the earlier round by this honorable court, my lord,
Yes.
is at document 24, my lord. Sorry,
This is the order, my lord. I passed on. Say both.
23 at 1048.
brief
It's
also.
there on the record. It's page 1048. It was shown to your court lordships on the last occasion. Second volume.
Same ECIR, my lord.
Yes, yes. And my learned friend's objection
Yes,
saying it's premature.
Yes, yes.
My learned friend's objection.
I'm not saying.
There is an order up to the Supreme Court that the connected matters has to be heard by the same bench. That is why he is saying.
On the last occasion, my lord, my learned friend's colleague did not raise any such objection.
It's not my objection. It is my duty to bring it. If my lord's here, I have no objection. It's
My friend will
I am
give me a
not
copy.
making objection if my
No, this is what was this petition is about?
here, my lord, the same ECIR they challenged
Huh.
under 482. That was dismissed as premature. And regarding what Supreme Court, my lord, in Supreme Court that SLP they filed an application to implead as party, which was dismissed.
It was
No, that is something different.
No. In that pending SLP,
That is predicating of.
predicate
Yes,
in
and
that.
the Supreme Court said that you can take liberty of your proceedings in accordance with law. That's why I came to this court. My friend is making the same submission he made on the earlier round.
Your lordship kindly see the order, my lord, at page 7.
This one?
This one, my lord.
Can I have a copy, please?
That last CRLMC order,
Yes.
page
Yes,
7, my lord. Mr. Third line, my lord,
Yes.
top, page 7.
Yes, okay, come on. Yes.
Mr. Agarwal further submit that the ED is not a party in the SLP criminal, that predicate offense SLP.
Yes.
Filed by the petitioner prior to implead ED as a party was dismissed by the Supreme Court. So question is, what, my lord, your lordship knows, offense under PMLA, offense schedule are separate and independent.
Right.
Once schedule of FIR is registered, ED gets power to investigate and proceed. Now, my lord, we have investigated, filed a charge sheet before the special court. He has appeared there also. So question is whether at this stage, this proceeding can be quashed or not.
No, that's not the case. That we hear it.
That's your lordship will hear it.
No. While this matter is pending here.
Yes, my lord.
You have issued summons, it seems.
Not my lord, summons. We have filed charge sheet.
No, my friend is not aware. There is a summons for Monday.
That is for investigation. Regarding,
So why are you precipitating? We hear it and finish it up sometime.
regarding so that he can file an application there, seeking time to the IO because my lord, now we have filed the charge sheet. Court has issued summons. He has appeared there.
Do you have that Supreme Court order where some kind of SOP kind of thing has been circulated?
Circulated.
Saying that whether I should hear this matter or not.
Lord, that is an order passed in bail cases. The Supreme Court passed a direction that normally what they are finding is that
general observation.
Not my understanding, unless my friend has a different order. My lord, there's an order passed by Lordship Justice Ravi Kumar that what they were finding was that out of the same FIR, multiple accused, multiple applications, one goes before one judge, one goes before the other judge. In that context, the Supreme exactly that where there is one FIR, multiple accused, it is proper, my lords, that the bail application should go before the same judge. To my understanding, that is the context. Unless my friend has a different order, I am not aware, my lord. But
do you have any order?
I have to check, my lord.
Because the order is in the context of FIR and
there is a standing order also by this court also, my lord. So I have read that one different applications filed arising out of one FIR.
I'll see. Listen, what I'll do is
Yes.
I'll check it up.
Yes, my lord.
The instructions have been circulated to all the.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
I'll check it up.
Yes.
But meanwhile, what you do is the summons which you have issued for Monday, don't.
My lord, he will let him file an application seeking a time. Regarding recording,
Where is
it's,
that summon?
my lord, it is regarding recording of statement.
8 times I have been, my lord, this is the 9th time.
Whatever.
And kindly note the timing.
Let us not
After
go
this
into
court
all-
entertains and issues notice,
Let
then
us
they
not
issue
go
the
into-
My
summons.
lord, he can file an application seeking time.
Right. Mr. Nikhil Nair, appearing for the petitioner, submits that despite the fact that the matter is sub judice before this court, and the fact that insofar as the predicating offences are concerned, the matter is sub judice before Supreme Court. A fresh summon has been issued by the investigating officer.
Someone under
to
section
appear.
50. My lord, your lordship may record someone, and because in the special court they will show this, they will not take step.
No, I'm
Someone under section 50, my lord.
summon under section
50 of PML Act.
50 of what is that?
PML Act.
50 of PML Act.
After the complaint has been filed.
By the IO. He submits
Investigation
that,
is open. We
submits
can
that
always call you.
The investigating officer is trying to precipitate the suit despite the fact that the matters are pending before this court as well as Supreme Court, as well as Honorable Supreme Court of India, Supreme Court of India.
As well as, my lord, before special court.
Mr. Agarwal submits that the petitioner may make an application before the IO for adjournment of the matter, and he assures that the same would
Will favorably consider.
favorably considered by the IO. IO. Accordingly, if advised so, the petitioner may move an application before the IO insofar as the summon dated.
Next year.
31st January 2020.
January 2020 for the adjournment of the proceedings. Adjournment of the proceedings. Leave the matter for further hearing on.
Lodge 26th or 27th, whatever is convenient.
Really, I don't have problem. My lord. Actually, today
Because you are so busy, you are
not
traveling
busy, my
sometime.
lord.
you are
Actually,
driving
yesterday
sometime.
night my wife was hospitalized, so
I'm very sorry. I didn't want to
Otherwise,
inconvenience
Lord-
my friend, my lord, but only because
He
of.
was also not keeping well.
No, I don't know.
Otherwise, your lordship knows I never take time, my lord.
You tell me.
Any day
He
convenient
can
to my
join
friend.
in VC also, no problem, but you tell me.
One more thing I should, my lord, this someone, they have not filed any application.
I got
regarding-
an application, my lord. My friend is so
must
formal. I
bring
will
it.
file the application.
No,
The application is here. I've got it ready.
My duty is to bring it to the notice of my lords.
My lord, every
Yes, my lord.
possible
That's why I
objection we can
said-
The
anticipate.
idea of adjournment is, I'll just check it up with the circulars issued to the.
But yes, that I will also
If I
take
can
up.
hear it, I'll hear it.
Yes,
Otherwise,
That
I'll
I am
say-
not, I cannot say anything one way or the other, my lord, if there's circular.
That-
It's just that I only found that on the last occasion, no such point was made. And in any event, my lord, I don't think there is such a
Also, I
circular.
was not here.
But anyway, I leave that's a matter of, I
So
cannot
let-
insist
let-
one way or
let
the
us-
other.
Let us hear the matter on, you tell me.
26th.
Mr. Agarwal, you tell me.
Any date, my lord. 26 March.
No, not March, sir, February.
Oh, February. February, my lord, I have to file a counter also. Your
You
lordship
file
knows
it,
the
you file it.
brief is
On 7th of March,
brief is more than 1,000 pages, my lord.
bigger
my-
the brief, smaller the issue.
Your lordship.
7th March,
Very well, my lord.
Your,
7th will shoot you,
Yes, very well.
7th.
your lordship may grant some more time, my lord.
Lord, my difficulty is the time and I don't want, my lord, that I am now, your lordship, I made my point in the morning, my lord. I don't want to be a state guest. Now my friend will take
No,
4
no,
weeks.
that's why I'm seeking time so that I will not take adjournment. I could not get
We make
instructions.
an adequate arrangement for you.
I'm ready.
No, because
That's true, my lord.
it should not be that on the next date, my friend says, now his petition is infructuous, he's gone.
No, let it be 15th then.
Yes, my lord.
15th.
Oblige me.
One more.
Lordship will just give me one. Very well.
15th will do,
Friday.
Friday, or let us make it 14th.
14th is better.
14th. No. 14th है या मोर के असुविधा आज
कौन आती है
18 को सोमवार
13th
18th हो रहा
No, Monday, Friday.
ट्यूसडे को आसु 19 को आसु ताले ट्यूसडे को आसु मंडे फ्राइडे एडमिशन
12th. Okay.
Because actually, I don't mind Monday, Friday. Easier to adjust on a Monday.
Okay, you
The
tell me that
regular day, 11th if it suits your lordship.
11,
ଆଜ୍ଞା 7 ଆଉ 11
there
କିଛି
is
ସେ
no
affidavit ହେଇପାରିବନି ସେ
18th.
Very well.
obliged.
Although they should not take any coercive measures till then.
No,
I'm
he's
only
not
worried.
taking, he's
Milord.
making a statement, he will not take.
Regarding
You move
statement, you file application, I'll ask my IO,
file,
he
if
will
any
grant
course
him
of
time.
action is taken, you move an application, mention it,
Very well.
I will ask my IO to grant him time.
Very
you
well.
come and mention it, even if you don't move application, Mr. Agarwal is very accommodating there.
He is a very lethal opponent.
But he accommodative as well.
Of course, Milord. And I'm sorry to inconvenience my friend Milord to bring
It's
it.
all right.
I'm grateful.
Pastor, anybody is there? Finish up.
Item number 4. Item number 4, madam.
Yes,
My
item
lord.
4. Yes.
My lord,
Yes.
I am depending on behalf of the accused person who is entangled in GR case number 483 of 2010. After initiation of the case, or in this case, 93 accused person held entangled. And all the accused person had, after initiation of the case, filed 8 number of LAPL before the High Court. And after
What do you want? What do you want?
I challenge the NW issue against the
all of them are were on by bail.
my lord, all are well in bail. But after charge sheet, the 14 number person has appeared after receive notice. But the person has not received any notice. So as to
How many accused persons are there?
In this case, 93 accused are there.
93.
93. I am repeating on 16 prisoners. My lord, due to unlock, on the date of issue NW, CGM has my learned CGM.
When are you going? Oh, it's all right. When are you going to appear? You tell me.
15 to 20 days.
What happened in this case, my lord?
What is the affair?
Well, actually, my lord, what happened in this case, my lord?
Oh, writing and all.
The charge sheet submitted against some of the co-accused persons, my lord, showing them absconder for that in an individual issued against them, my lord.
They want
Whether
to
these
appear.
petitions were a bail or not, that is doubtful, my lord. But
All
he has to watch
all the 16 petitioners here were in bail or not?
All are well in bail. All are in bail, my lord.
Then comes for the petitioner submit that all the 16 applicants in the present case were on bail in the case arising out of in the GR case number 483 of 2010. Because of their default in appearing in the court on 17/8/2023, NBW has been issued against them by the court of JMFC. JMFC, what is it? JMFC.
My lord, no notice.
Santala in GR case number 483 of 2010. On instruction, then counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioners would be appearing before court on or before 7th of March and seek remedy available to them under law. And the NBW taking into consideration the NBW and submission will require. NBW issued against the petitioner on 17/8/2023 by JMFC Santala. Santala is kept in events till 7th so as to enable the petitioners to appear before the court below and seek remedy available to them under law. What will be the cost you will pay? 16 of you are there.
500 to 1,000.
For each petitioner?
No, my lord.
So 1 rupee each. Then what are you talking? 16 people, how much you pay? 500.
It's saying that it's 500.
You pay 3,000 rupees. Okay.
My lord.
3,000 in total.
My lord.
3,000 cost and appear on or before 7th of March and seek appropriate remedy. Okay. Okay.
My lord, obliged.
Are you mentioning?
No, madam.
Okay.
ଏସବୁ ଟା ଆପଣ ପଠେଇଲେ ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଲେ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ ଦେଲି ଏସବୁ ଟା ମୁଁ ପଠେଇଦେଲି ଏତେ ହବନି ନାଇଁ
One informant, two injured.
Two injured.
Aye.
Sibo Sankar and
Aye. One Saurabh Baliar Singh and one Jayant Kumar Pahad Singh and Sibo Prasad Samantray. All three are before my lord.
Now, what are
Our case arises from a complaint petition after inquiry held before the Law and Court below under section 202 CR case.
where is that order? Where by?
Your Lordship, kindly see page 8 of 8, my lords. I am challenging the order of oppositions, my lords.
No, I am not asking that. What I am asking the earlier order passed by.
Your Lordship, earlier one case was called. My lord, this is certified, that is CRLMC number 5099 of.
Give me. The same party.
Party. One of the petitioner, petition number 1 was the petitioner in that case, my lord. But in this case, entire villagers entitled by the opposite party number 2, entire villagers.
In all the 3 cases.
My lord, all the 3 cases, my lord.
Same complainants.
The complaint different, my lord. 3 persons of 3 persons lost complaint case before the court below, my lord.
You are almost asking.
I'm not
denying they are ready to talk. May I be clarified before, may I pray before your lordship whether all the petitioners will come to this court or only opposite party complainant?
No. The accused has to come.
I am ready to abide.
So Tuesday?
My lord.
Tuesday, Wednesday?
Your lordship may fix.
Tuesday.
Any day.
Tuesday? 20, Tuesday.
Both all petitioners and
opposite parties.
Opposite party.
You keep it with you, show me. So
My lord.
Take note of this.
My lord.
All the 3
This is GR case, my lord. This is all 3 cases complaint case.
No problem. No. We bring them Tuesday.
My lord.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. Item number 30 of VC.
Yes.
My lord, previously your lordship heard this matter and issued notice to the OP number 2, who is the informant.
What is the service position?
The noting said, my lord, notice not served because the addressee is absent.
will you take fresh step?
Fresh
step.
My lord, may I request one thing, my lord?
Huh?
Previously, in the bail application, my lord, the London State Council is taken the notice and through IIC they served the notice, my lord. If it is possible in this matter, then through IIC.
He'll file extra copy, one extra copy. I will send to the IO for. And also see, my lord, also
Mr. Shao undertakes to file the extra copy of the petition, and Ragada appear for the state states that he will intimate to the IIT of which police station? IIT of Purushottampur police station, so as to effect service on opposite party number 2. Opposite parties.
Opposite party, the victim, my lord.
Five. Opposite party number 5. Opposite party number 5. Lease the matter. March 1st. You file a extra copy so that it will be served through the IIC.
My lord, Mr. Shah should not appear through VC, my lord. He has to come here. Always.
There is an objection. Where are you? On the Raigada, he is there in Raigada. He has gone to his hometown.
Hometown.
Yes,
Next time he will come here.
Date when is it? 7th March. Yes. 34.
34. Allah karo. Appear kore. Kya appear korchen?
Offense order is 420 34.
Huh?
A matter has been settled between the parties.
Jane bodhe Biranchi nair na jane.
Yes.
Yes.
Pocharle.
Yes.
Kordu.
They are similar.
BC. For Biranchi nair. What was the allegation there?
Relationship when there is a society. In the society, without any resolution, money cannot be withdrawn. The present petitioners and president and secretary of the withdrawn, and they have, without any resolution, they have withdrawn rupees 2,28,000.
The 2,25,000.
28,000.
28,000 belongs to the
Belongs to the society members. The members are in 25 and above, but the one depositor has lost the affair. So that's why.
What about the other people? They got their money.
No, that I am clarifying, my lord. At the time of registration of the affair, the IIS has kept the money with the understanding that she will refund to all the depositors, and she has kept the money after withdrawal of the case. So she has kept the money, and before 2 days, she has assured to refund the money to the informant as well as the depositors.
Other people also.
So she has kept money for good understanding.
There is only one complaint by you.
Only one complaint.
The other people have not complained.
Not complaint.
He is not there.
Because sometimes it is happening, the parties are taking money, but they're not coming forward. Like
sometimes it's also happening, the IO takes money. And these people are left in lurch. So therefore, I want to confirm that the money has to go to him.
Mr. Maharaj taken effective steps for her appearance.
He is not. He has to come. Otherwise, he will give the consent. It is passed. Thereafter, he will not get the money.
He orally take instruction from the taken instruction from the IO.
Some online problems. He's appearing.
The iOS.
He will pay, na? No problem.
मते कहिथि कि पुलिस कथा विश्वास जोजन सिए गरीब लोक
पैसा डिस्पेंस कर दबा
आज्ञा
let him go and take the money and call him, and he will inform, and Monday will pass.
Yes.
Otherwise, if a condition will be imposed that on production of the receipt,
in regarding
Why
deposit.
unnecessary? I can go and receive the money today. Monday.
Madam, I am pardon, there is a practical problem. Complaint is one, but the depositors are many.
I beg pardon, I'm just.
I'm interested only in this complaint. I don't know about the other.
It is,
And
the,
I-
it is the society money, my lord.
So, sir, if you will
There
take
is a-
away all the
there is
money,
a-
2,28,000,
His money.
he,
No, not
but
his-
he wants to take all the money.
Not his money. Money.
So money belongs to society.
Then all have,
The other people
have to come here.
How the other people's money?
How the case will pass?
No, that time, sir.
All
And
of
he
us
will
are there.
return, I will return the money. So it was-
That
He will
time-
return the
that
other.
Other depositors should have
Other
received their
depositors.
money. Otherwise, it will be-
If
That's
the,
the problem. There is a cash.
but the, if the,
But the IO has assured to return the money to the complainant, and in your presence, all the depositors will receive money. That is the understanding.
ସେଟା କରିକି affidavit ଦେଲେ ସେଟା କରିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ।
IO has to furnish a report. Right now.
And I pray one thing, my lord.
Yes.
My lord may dispense personal offense with dispense of the informant as well as the accused.
Yes.
One accused is ill, that's why she has not come. I have filed a,
I'm dispensing. No.
my lord,
I'm dispensing the personal
personal offense to dispense with.
And
My lord may record that
the
some.
money should be paid and he has to inform, the IO has to inform.
And also I have.
By way of a written instruction to Mr. Maharaj.
Yes.
I'll.
Yes.
My lord, another thing I pray, my lord, since IO is searching for the accused persons, I filed a miscase for stay of policy till my lord case.
I'm quashing it, what is the question of?
Okay.
Yes.
Uh,
Item 30.
where is the allegations? Where is the allegations?
କିଛି ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ନା?
There is FIR, page 10, 11.
The
11, 10, 11,
FIR
12.
number so and so, under section so and so has been registered against the petitioner at the instance of opposite party number 2. The allegation in the FIR is that the petitioners have fraudulently withdrawn case of rupees 2,28,000 from the society account, without following the due process. The money so withdrawn by the petitioners belongs to the villages. The present informant, that the opposite party number 2, is one amongst them. Petitioner number, who is appearing?
Petition number 2 is present, Ambar Durjani.
Petitioner number 2 and the opposite party number 2 are present in the court, and represented by their respective counsel. They are being identified by their counsel, and they file their photocopy of so and the petitioners, they have filed a joint affidavit dated 16/2/2024 inter alia, stating that they have settled the dispute amongst themselves. And the strength of the aforementioned development, the petitioner seeks quashing the FIR, quashing the consequential. Mr. Maharaj, appearing for the state, had taken instruction from the IIC, na?
Yes.
From the IIC, which police station?
Dasamantapur PS.
IIC Daswantpur police station. And he, on instruction, he submits that the entire 2,28,000 has 2,28,000
Yes.
the entire alleged fraudulent amount of 2,28,000 has been recovered from the petitioners, petitioner. Full stop. It is in the custody of the IIT.
Yes.
IIT. He would be disbursing the entire amount to all the villagers to whom the money belongs, including the present complainant, that is opposite party number two. Opposite party number two. Once the money is disbursed to the respective villages, the FIR could be quashed. Therefore, he seeks an adjournment till adjournment. Adjournment. Awaiting the written instruction from the IIC, that was good. The matter is adjourned to 21st.
Yes.
21st. On the next date of hearing, the personal appearance of the parties are dispensed with. This is the matter on that.
Recall.
Are the
To the members of the
members of the
committee. Your lordship
Villagers
members of the
committee.
members of the committee. And I pardon one thing, my lord. In the meantime, stay up for the.
ଆଉ କଣ ଆମେ ତ ସମସ୍ତେ ଜାଣିଲେ ଆଉ କଣ
ଦେଇଦେଲା ପରେ ଆପଣ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଜୁନିୟର ପଠେଇକି adjournment ମାଗିବେ।
ନାଇଁ
ବେଟର କ୍ୱାସି କରିଦେବା ବେଟର।
Quashing कर देते।
quashing है। He will give the instruction. The idea is whatever money the IO has, it has to be disbursed. कोर्ट ऑर्डर थे कम से कम पैसा कमिटी मेंबर को मिल जिवो नले पता चला आयो नहीं चल रहा है माने रनिंग एरो 21st ना कब देले 21st
हमारा 21st था
21 तारीख
21st 22
22nd 22 और सेवन आशिया तो करनी
हां पर सब डिस्कस विद
आपण नो आले भी we will do it, no problem.
Mr. Maharaj will take care. And we will be here.
Yes.
That's why on 21st one I or cross examination in special condition.
Okay.
Oh, deeply obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Last occasion, your lordship had heard this matter, and my learned friend wanted the copy of the charge sheet. So the case was adjourned, and I have filed the charge sheet copy along with one more affidavit, my lord. I have also sought the copy on the state.
What happened? What?
My lord,
You
this
want
is a case
of the cognizance order?
cognizance order. Your lordship will find this petitioner is a 65 years old man, my lord. My lord, retired employee, my lord. Now the allegation is against one Simanchalam Reddy, who assured certain people to provide them employment. He is an excise officer. He assured them, Simanchal, who is not before your lordship, my lord. My lord, he assured that he will provide employment to persons, my lord, in the railway department and took some money from those persons, my lord.
Through
so,
you, money?
No. It is also not that allegation, my lord. Allegation is, my lord, so far as the present petitioner is concerned, there is some stray allegation that while discussing with that Simanchalam Reddy, we both, I and another person were present, my lord. And
you were the conduit.
That is what they wanted to say, my lord. But that is not my role at all, my lord. He is a known person to me. I had visited his house. And by the way, some people came and they talked, and entire transaction has been done so far as the Simanchalam is concerned. I am no. Simanchalam is an accused, my lord. Now, my lord, your lordship will find in the meantime also there has been compromise between the parties. I have also filed the affidavit copies, my lord. Your lordship will find at Annexure 4 series. All the persons, those who claim that they have paid the money to Simanchalam, my lord, they have compromised with him and they have taken back their money, and Annexure 4 series, page 48, your lordship will kindly have it.
How many of them?
My lord, there are around 12, 13 persons probably. Your lordship will find at page 48. Series of affidavits I have filed, which they filed before the court below, my lord. My lord, I, Shri so-and-so, I affirm that I am one of the victims of this case.
ନା କଣ ତା ନା କଣ
କୋଉଟା
ଯୋଉଟା ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି
I am Narasingha Gowda.
Narasinghan on the Khodagram. And FIR allegation is also that, my lord, he has paid money to Simanchalam, not to us, my lord. And the police has seized
How
the
much you have
account.
taken from Limca? How much the money?
ସିଏ କଣ କହୁଛି ସେ 24-25 ଲକ୍ଷ ଖଣ୍ଡେ ନେଇଛି ବୋଲି କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
Limca to?
ନା ନାଇଁ ଲିମକା ଠୁ ନୁହେଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମିଶିକିରି
Yeah, there are victims, jane no. Many victims are there.
ହଁ many
They have been
victims are there but whatever amount they have paid to Simanchalam and against Simanchalam also.
Let's come to the charge sheet.
Yes, my lord.
Very
Charge sheet copy, my lord. Your lordship will find. Here the brief facts, your lordship will kindly come to the last but one page, my lord, of the charge sheet. Lordship will find on 28/11/2016 at so and so, Limca Rajesh, so and so, reporting in writing to the effect that the Sugu Simanchalam Reddy alias Rao, so and so district residing in Market Street near Old Bus Stand, Parlakhamundi, PS, Parlakhamundi district Gajapati, along with his associate.
Along with his associate.
Yes.
Nursing Khadagram.
संग्राम गुरु किंतु आमको कोड पैसा देइचंदी बोली कहि न कोन आम एसोसिएट बिकॉज़ आमे तांका संगे थिलु बोली सेठी
3 lakh from him and fraudulently even false showing for the document and cheated the
and he reported the matter at police station legal action basing on the report as it reveals a cognizable offense case and IIC model PS case ha cognizance nahi chandi taku I am challenging that cognizance
you have you implemented Lakshmi?
Limca Rajesh kum karchi pati
I will just simply I issue notice.
And your lordship only 2-3 statement ro matra gote line mu apan knowledge ko ani just I want to
Nahi, there is a chance of settlement.
No, nothing, my lord.
No, settlement
they have filed this affidavit. I don't understand because their affidavit is.
But I am.
Jodi se bail janti amar kichi objection nahi. Tike
ଆମେ ସବୁ ବେଲ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିପେଟେଡ ବେଲ ଅଛୁ
କହିବାକୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଆମେ ସବୁ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିପେଟେଡ ବେଲ
କଥା କହୁଛି
ବେଲ ଯାଇଛୁ
ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା କହୁଛି ଗୋଟିଏ କଥା ଯେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏଫଆଇଆର ସେ ଦେଲା ସେତେବେଳେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ନାଁ ସେ ଲେଖିଛି ରାଇଟ୍ ନାଉ ମାଇ knowledge senior has stated that he has not paid a single amount to the petitioner so that I am clarifying ସବୁ ଯାକ truly ସବୁ information during course of collection aid. So ମୁଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ page 30 ର last 4 lines
30
yes 30 last 4 lines 1,56,000 ଓ ହାତରେ ନରସିଂ ଗଡନାୟକ ଓ ସୁଧାଂଶୁ ଗୁରୁଙ୍କୁ 1,54,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଛି right my lord then money every statement
you have received money
yes every statement all
that is the singular statement my lord
nahi dekho out report
and he has also taken back the money he has received back the money
Paralakhandi Sai Simanchalo Sudhanshu Guru o Narsing Rajguru anko टंका मागिथिलु
ha
and किंतु semane टंका न दिछलु फेर
ଦେଇଛୁ ତେଣୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ victim ଟୁକୁରା ରାମା ସେ କହୁଛି 2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ମୁଁ ସୁଦାମ ଗୁରୁ
1,10,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଛି ସୁଧାଂଶୁ ଗୁରୁ ନରସିଂହ ଖଡଗରାୟ ମୋଟ 1,10,000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ସେମାନେ ମତେ ଆଜି ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
କିଛି ଚାକିରି
କାଗଜ ପତ୍ର ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ମତେ ବାରମ୍ବାର ଦୌଡୁଛନ୍ତି
all these statements which they have said my lord those money has passed to the Simanchalam Reddy my lord and through me they say that they have paid some money but money ultimately went to the hands of Simanchalam and they have already got back their money my lord they have already got back their money
then you have to give
my lord if your lordship will find
Turukula Ramarao Turukula Ramarao the 161 statement there are many 161 statements
yes
all the persons those who have said that you have taken the money
ei di jon ta ko
no
all of them nahi hajur tike asantu tale mu
Turukula Ramarao
there is time my lord your lordship may kindly come to page 19 the statement of Kadagala Srinivas Rao
so everybody is saying
ମୁଁ ଲିମିକା ସହିତ ଆସି ମୁଁ ରିଲେଭାଣ୍ଟ ପୋର୍ସନ ଗୁଡା ପଢୁଛି ମୁଁ ଲିମିକା ସହିତ ଆସି ପାର୍ଲାକମୁଣ୍ଡି ସୁଗୁ ସୀମାଞ୍ଚଳଙ୍କୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଘରେ 2000 ମସିହା ଡିସେମ୍ବର ମାସରେ ଭେଟିଥିଲୁ।
Limca Rajesh only says that page 45.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ପେଜ
Page 45. Last 3 lines, 4 lines.
page 45.
45.
45 is Limca Rajesh, my lord, that is the chart.
That is the
Annexure 3, my lord. Annexure 3.
That is the statement of the
Yes,
government.
all the statement, they have paid this money. They have prepared the statement that they have paid this money, my lord.
No.
Now your lordship will find.
Read 161 statement of Limca Rajesh.
Limca Rajesh statement.
That is 45, page 45.
Limca Rajesh page 40.
ମୋ ନାଁ ଲିମ୍କା ରାଜେଶ ମୁଁ 25 ବର୍ଷ
45
ବୟସ
Limca
statement
ଆପଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
30 ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ଦେଖୁଛି।
ପେଜ 30 ବି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ସେଇଟା ବୋଧେ ମୁଁ ଭାବୁଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର 30 ଅଛି
the best what could be done is only I need to notice.
नहीं,
Let us see,
टिके
Limca
टिके
Rajesh
देखि
comes,
दउछु।
you have paid the money, let us see. You have taken
Limca
money from
Rajesh.
everybody.
हां Limca Rajesh पाइली
हाँ तो से कोई तो से सब
पेज 30 पेज 30 पेज 30 पर से पढुतले सेटा मु धरतिली सीए कहूची जे लक्षे टंका ये देली बोली हमको but in the affidavit if your lordship kindly refers to the affidavit of that Limca Rajesh he says I have paid the entire money to
what is that affidavit? 161 statement is there. That affidavit
161 statement is there.
You never know.
I am not disputing, my lord.
That is the reason because up to that affidavit only I am persuaded to issue notice simply. Don't ask entry. That's what I'm saying.
Entry order to move against the rule khali. I am not praying for the stay of the entire proceeding.
It appears to be a scandal.
No, I understand, my lord. There is a decision of the Honorable Apex Court also, my lord. On the other day, while starting, I shown to your lordship that decision of Honorable Apex Court where they have said in these matters, the High Court should be slow, my lord.
It is a racket.
No, it's not actually a racket, my lord.
You have some affidavit. Few witnesses under 161 statement, they say that I have given the money, we have given the money.
Sir, statement er koichanti.
Statement.
Tapre subsequently affidavit re
what circumstances you got the affidavit? Why they have given the affidavit? It is procure or not? That has to be seen.
I guess that has been accepted by the court below, my lord.
Let them come to the
Those have been accepted and bail has been granted to the main accused on the basis of those affidavits, my lord.
Only because of bail you might have got.
No, see a main accused pay.
Anyway, there is no
Amme to sab etu anticipated bail
I
is.
made up my mind. You should notice the opposite party.
more-
I can only do one thing. I can give a short date. And now only cognizance has been taken. Lot of
Things are
time
there
will
to
take. When the next date available?
that Limca Rajesh, my lord, I will take notice to him, my lord. Let him come and say, my lord, because of this statement,
When
your
is
lordship.
the next date of hearing before court below? I'll give before that.
এটা মু হজুর মো পাখরে নাই বল
Then it is not.
কারণ
taken up.
কগনিয়ান্স অর্ডর নাই কগনিয়ান্স অর্ডর পরে আউ মো পাখরে তার ইয়েটা নাই কগনিয়ান্স অর্ডর রে
And insofar
case
that
was posted to bar bar.
interim direction is concerned, Mr. Mishra, then counsel for the petitioner submits that he would be moving appropriate application seeking adjournment before court below. If the matter is heard by the court below before the next date appeal. Or date would be.
Date would
March 18 March. You move application.
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଆଗରୁ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ବି ସେ ଆସି ଯାନ୍ତା
ଆଉ ତ ହେଇପାରିବ ହଉନି ଦେଖିବ ଛୋଟ ଦେଖିକି ଦେଇଦେବ ଟିକେ ଆଗକୁ କହିପାରିବି ଫାଷ୍ଟ ୱିକ୍
because ଏମାନେ ସବୁ ସିନିୟର ସିଟିଜେନ ଗୁଡା unnecessarily they are being dragged.
13
ये मेन अक्यूज जे एक्चुअली नहीं लेट हिम मतलब फेस द consequence I do not
एक्चुअली से नहीं कि थ्रू यू पीपल आर
ना
कंटिन्यू
एई लोकंकर टिके जे रही छि सेमाने तापर संगरे थिले सेतबळ एतिकी तांकर जे
कलेक्शन ने मान भी करते
नहीं कलेक्शन मनी इनफैक्ट नहीं सेथिरे वंस बिकॉज़ एफआर लिम्का राजेश देछि सेथिरे कोइन मु कलेक्शन करछि बोली से 161 स्टेटमेंट रे ही हैज इंप्रूव्ड टू सम एक्सटेंट
दिस इज द रैकेट innocent people are
ना रैकेट बोली मतलब
and the reading the name you appears to be the most smartest person
No, not at all.
So you might have employed all other people to come.
ନା ନା ସେଇ ଲୋକ ସେ ସବୁ ସିଏ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସବୁ allegation ଟା against him.
Smartest accused has cut hold of a smartest lawyer. That's the. Anyway, you sir, let us see.
Okay. I'll take notice by मतलब ये speed post.
Speed post. Speed post.
Okay.
47 mileage, the notice was served through special messenger.
Very.
Initially in Dasti they refused. Then special messenger it was served. Today they have not come, mileage. But the entire allegation is 7 lakhs mileage, and it's between brothers. Entirely a family dispute mileage. The allegation is मुमो बड़ा बापा टू पैसा नहीं जी, तांको बापा टू वो 7 लाख केते टंका नहीं जायछि. That is the only allegation.
You pay.
Mileage, I'll pay mileage. If he comes to the court, I'll pay mileage. May stay the proceedings. I'll pay the amount in the court itself, mileage. The entire amount.
Oh. Subject to depositing.
Yes, sir. Huh? Mileage, I'll deposit.
Where is the allegation? 7 lakh.
Mileage, me see page 10, mileage.
Yes. Page 10.
Yes.
Mileage, the second last line, mileage. Also on 27/2/2023, a sum of rupees 7,54,712.
That my father Radhamohan Mohanty.
Mileage, that my father Sri Radhamohan Mohanty, son of late Gajendranath Mohanty, is the account holder bearing of SBI account number so and so, branch Bhubaneswar, which is still running, and a sum of rupees 4 crores 6 lakhs was kept after selling one of my distant relative after selling land, and one of my distant relative, namely Tarapad Mohanty, son of late Manas Ranjan Mohanty, grandson of Sri Nisamani Mohanty, staying near Lakshmi Mandap, used to visit my father at my residence, and by showing volunteer respect, and by the said time, said Tarapad Mohanty, who was having access to my father's bedroom, cunningly stole away some signed checks without knowledge of my elderly father, and he has presented a check of rupees 90 lakhs as per the version of the manager, Axis Bank, Samantrapur, who visited me on 27/2/2023 at about 6:30 p.m. to confirm for issuance of such check in his favor, which I came to know and inquired from my father, and my father replied he does not know anything about issuance of such check. And on the same date, that is on 27/2/2023, a sum of rupees 7,54,712 in cash have been withdrawn by him by submitting his Aadhaar card at bank, which the bank has not initiated.
So this is
To the
7 lakhs you have taken by cash.
My lord, that is the and the rest of that has been stopped. The FIR also says this payment has been stopped for that.
Actually, କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ସେଟା ଟିକେ confuse ହେଇଗଲା.
My lords, no, my lords. If your lordship will see the figure,
90 lakhs ଗୋଟେ କଣ check ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି.
no, my lords.
Stop कर देंगे.
My lords may see that my lords, the initial amount was 4 crores 6 lakhs. Sorry, my lords. 4 crores 6 lakhs, and thereafter now the amount which is remaining on the date of FIR is 3 crores 98 lakhs. My lords, on the next page, page 11.
Obviously.
My lords.
3 crores 90. That's 7.
Roughly around 7.
What is the relationship between informant and you?
My lords, this my lords, Radha Mohan Mohanty, my father, and his father, Radha Mohan Mohanty is his father, and my father name is Manas Ranjan Mohanty. Both of them are cousin brothers, my lords.
You are also cousin.
I am also cousin to him, my lords.
Like a petitioner, wide order dated 29/1/2024. Notice was issued to opposite party number 2. Despite notice, none appears for opposite party number 2. Opposite party number 2. The petitioner is the cousin brother of the opposite party number 2. The dispute is revolving around dispute is regarding withdrawal of 7,54,712 rupees from the account of the father of the informant.
Right.
Father of the informant clandestinely by the petitioner. The FIR came to be registered at the instance of opposite party number 2 on the said allegation. The petitioner, the counsel for the petitioner of instruction submits that he is ready and willing to deposit the disputed amount, and seeks the indulgence of this court for passing up to the entire proceeding. Next, subject to the petitioner depositing the disputed amount of rupees 7 lakhs 54,712. The further proceeding in so and so. On the further proceeding.
My lord.
Where is that? Further proceeding.
My lord, sir.
You have not written in the.
No, my lord, sir.
What?
No, that is city case number 173.
In the IA you have not written.
No, my lord.
City case number
173
173
of 2023 pending in the court of JMFC Bhubaneswar.
arising out of
Arising.
Lingaraj PS case number 67
of
of 2023 pending in the court of JMFC Bhubaneswar
Bhubaneswar.
is stayed till further orders.
My lord. Grateful.
Till further.
Let's I'll make the deposit within.
The petitioner shall deposit the disputed amount before the registry of this court within 15 days.
3 weeks. My lord, sir.
Within 3 weeks since, and the same shall be invested in a interest bearing fixed deposit.
Fixed deposit.
Fixed deposit for initially for a period of 6 months.
My lord.
Interest daily for no, pending it's only interim. Pending, give it in the March. March. If he comes, he'll take the money and.
Grateful.
ଟଙ୍କା ନେଇଗଲେ କଥା ସରିଲାନି।